best. It's very yummy. Okay, great. Vinay, can you do the next one for me?
G, egg, egg, e, eggy.
Somebody else wants to have
Agree.
Agree means?
Discrimination.
Yes.
Secular.
Secular. I am somebody and I am doing something, okay? I am writing, great, and you are reading my story. Who am I? I am something, you are reading my story. Yes,
Don't shout that.
don't shout the answer. What is another way to put this? Yes.
Raise your silent hand.
Raise silent hand. I'm just going to put that. Raise silent hand. Great. Yes, keep an eye. Should I move on to somebody else? One thing? Yes, keep an eye. Listen to just now. Listen to the speaker. Great. Can I put that as participate? When you participate, you listen to somebody and you also
Give answer.
raise your hand, you give answer. These are the ways I know you are participating. Yes.
No, this is not.
Yes, Vishnu.
We want to follow the
That can't be a rule. That's a given. That's something you need to be doing. Last one, Varsha.
Don't turn back.
Don't turn back. Should we put that as a rule today? That's a new one. One bench. Yes, Radha. How many sheets on one bench? We'll take another 15 seconds. 10, 9, 8. Not a seat. Can you tell me some things you remember about CAA and NRC? Yeah.
This is CAA. We religions of Hindus, Christians, Buddhists, Jains. We don't need a document. CAA.
CAA says
Muslim. Citizenship.
very good.
Amendment.
Yeah. Amendment. Amendment means? What does amendment mean? I want you to amend yourself. Don't be the same. You should amend yourself. Yeah. Change. Amendment means change. And act means rules or laws of a country. And the National Register of Citizens has recently been the hot topic that everyone is talking about. What do you mean by a hot topic? Every country in this world has a register of its citizens. This is the normal structure. Why are we fighting this? I think the CAA plus NRC is a good thing that the BJP government has put into place. Let us be thankful to Prime Minister Modi for this. Great. So, I don't think everything is important. I think only some parts are important. So, what skill am I going to do?
Summarize.
I'm going to summarize. Jayant, what will I summarize? 6, thank you. 5, 4, 3, thank you Chaitanya. 2, thank you Divya.
Because fighting happening.
Yes, Madhuri.
Experience. We want that, and CAA and NRC is good, so he is very supporting.
And I think and I believe that India is a secular country and the CAA and NRC is discriminating against First you summarize the author's opinion. Great. What do you do after that? Because you justify it. Okay. What do you think and what do you believe? Is that clear? Why is it called a partition?
For divide.
Sorry, divide what?
Pakistan, Bangladesh, and India.
India got divided into Pakistan, Bangladesh, and India. Whose idea was this? Which person? Yes. Lord Mountbatten, who was Indian or British? British. It was his idea, and he wanted India to divide into Pakistan, India, and Bangladesh. Great. So, author's opinion. What does the author think? What does the author think and believe? Number 2. Do you agree or disagree? Why? Because. Why do you agree or disagree? Are we clear? Great.
Partition had to happen in India. That what did Jinnah say when Mount?
Author's opinion. Is he supporting or is
Supporting.
what are you going to write? Who's the writer? Great. How do you know? How do you know he's supporting the partition?
Evidence.
Okay, text evidence. Which line? Tell
Last
me.
line.
The last line. What is the last line? Can somebody read and tell me? Yeah.
I think partition was a right decision.
Great.
All people, 10 lakhs people are dying because is telling support.
Yes. Why is he supporting? Is he saying in my family I have seen this?
No.
He is talking about other people, which means he is using. Great. This is my author's opinion. Author supports partition.
And author's opinion and justify making correction.
We will agree or disagree with author's opinion. Very good. We are done with your objective for the day. If you don't remember teamwork, you can look at the rubric and give feedback. Yeah, I'll give you 2 minutes for this. Go. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3.
I give 5 because he is listening.
Okay. Great. Okay.
Because we are sitting in a group, we are pointing fingers, we are understanding, he is explaining for us.
Great. So you've given a 4 to your teamwork. Great. You're listening to your team member. That's something you did well today. They agree. What is something you did not do well today? Honestly. Writing. Writing is not something you did well today. Thank you for being honest. Why did we do author's opinion? Why are we thinking about our opinion? What is the reason? Why should you study all of this anyway? How does it help you? Just because mom is teaching, so you're studying. How does it help you? When you grow up and somebody is telling you, Varsha, you know CA NRC is amazing. Will you simply say, yeah, I agree, it's amazing. Making your own opinion based on research and experience. Great. Thank you, Shabash. To go inside a different world. Laika was the happiest dog around. She would always wag her tail and she liked to be pet. She was selected for a space program. Laika looked up and looked out of the rocket window and she saw something magical. The Earth.
Because the rocket go in speed, you get
You're feeling happy, yes?
and excited.
Excited, yes?
Scared.
Why are you scared?
Because rocket is going after it will blast. Yeah.
You feel scared the rocket will blast?
Correct. 150,000 degrees Celsius.
54,000 degrees Celsius, okay?
Jupiter is red now. We go near the Jupiter.
Okay.
When we see the Jupiter, it will become very hot and sick fever.
You're gonna feel sick. Can somebody describe the smell to me? Can somebody talk about to burn wood? That smell that comes, maybe that's the smell you'll get from Jupiter. Last one, Surendra.
The gas, there is not land. We cannot go on it. There is not land.
Yes. Now.
Neptune. Ah, my correct.
Great. Okay. People who have the same answer can click. Why Neptune?
This is because it is cold. Because Mars have iron,
Okay.
little bit of oxygen, it mix and come red.
Yeah. That's why it's red in color. Find something you already know.
No.
Okay. Yes.
It's a first planet
Okay. First planet to what?
closest to sun.
Okay. So what?
It is the hottest planet.
So can it have ice? Like
No.
you imagine? Yes. Okay. What about the rocket? Was very
Didi, we go to the rocket now. We can see all the touching the clouds. All we can do.
So the whole experience of going to space and looking outside and maybe even being able to touch some clouds and everything is very interesting for Varsha.